Hey guys, this is like very quick video about the Xiaomi Massage Gun 2. Now, first of all, like it's not a bad product. Now, it's a good product. It's going to do the work that you need. You have like a lot of heads here, but this is the first thing is that like you don't have a lot of heads. Okay, as you can see right here, the multiple attachments, this is the first thing because a lot of kind of like you want to check the attachments, what you want to actually like use it for. And there is like this attachment that, for example, I have is that which is like this, right? It's like sharper. That's way better comparing to all of these because the round is okay, but kind of like the dense that is like sharp, you know, like a bullet. That is the way better. So this is something that to kind of like be aware of it. This is the first thing. Now another thing to be aware of is that yes, you have like speed. The battery life is kind of okay. You have like battery life. You have charging with the Type-C. Now that's okay. So the cons kind of it, what you have to be aware of is you can have like noise level, but it's kind of like acceptable. Also, it's vibrating, so that's something you'll be aware of. But primarily, like the biggest con are the attachments. So another thing, you have automatic shut off after 10 minutes. So that's another thing. And then also another thing, auto shut up when blocked, and vibration is like vibrating, but that's kind of like pretty much it. It's not a bad product. If you want to like ultra quiet operation and you want like more attachments, choose something else, but still it's like okay-ish product. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye.